Hello, my name is Ron with Buyer eLearning Consulting. And for this week's Articulate eLearning Challenge, David asked us to create a screencast. My screencast is based on work I created for another eLearning challenge, which I called Where Are My Glasses? That was a blurred backgrounds challenge. Here is the video, which I included in the storyline interaction. How did I do this? Well, I began in PowerPoint under the Articulate Content Library and found this picture of a room that I liked. I duplicated the slide. On the new slide, I blurred the picture using the Artistic Effects tool. Simple. Now I needed a pair of glasses. Back to the content library to find a good picture of somebody holding glasses and looking through them from a first-person perspective. Got it. One of my go-to tools in PowerPoint is the Remove Background tool. Watch as I remove the leaves and the ground from this picture, and I'm left with just the hands and the glasses. Okay, I have my room and I have my glasses. Let's put them together and size up the glasses to fit the screen. My next goal is to cut out some holes in the blurred picture that match where the lenses of the glasses should be. Let's create some shapes using the Rounded Oval tool and the Edit Points feature, adding more points and adjusting them as needed. It will be easier to judge the shape if I adjust the transparency of the shape. One lens is ready. It's a simple process to copy and paste, move it, flip it using the rotate tool, and then make some minor adjustments. With my two lenses in place, I temporarily remove the picture of the glasses. My goal is to cut through the blurred picture where the lenses are and see the unblurred picture beneath. When using the Shape Format Merge Shape tool, remember to select the picture first, then the shapes. Otherwise, you lose the picture. Select the Combine option and voila, blurred photo with cutouts. Save it. Now back to the slide of the unblurred room. Load the blurred room slide, which we just created with the cutout, over that picture. Finally, place the glasses picture back over the top of the cutouts. That's the basic effect I wanted. Now I want to turn this into a video, so I need 4 slides total. A blurred room with glasses and the cutout, a closer view of glasses with the cutout, and finally an unblurred room. For slide 3, I just highlighted everything on the slide, copied, pasted as a picture, and then I'm cropping it to zoom in to create the zoom in effect. Then I'll paste this to a new slide and adjust the fit. So finally, I select some built-in PowerPoint transitions to move between my 4 slides, export the video, and add the video to my storyline project. Thanks for watching.